guys, today I'm going to show you guys how you could get this three-braided braid ponytail. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to brush out every strand of your hair. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start braiding. It doesn't matter if the braid is uneven. Yeah. Then, grab a tiny hair elastic to secure it. Okay. Once you've done that, you can repeat on the other two. So just popping in here, just to give you guys just a side note, I did those two braids off camera just to save some time, because if I do it on camera, it will take forever. So just a little FYI. Once you get all three of these braided, you're going to take every front side of the braid and braid it over the other front braid. Just be sure if it's the front. That's the back. This is the front side. Be sure to do the front side and go over the front. It's kind of hard to see. Take all those braids, but the last stitch still at the end, don't remove them, and braid every single one. Don't worry if it gets tangled at the end, because we're going to tie it with an elastic later. It'll be quick and easy. Okay, once you did that, take your elastic and tie every single hair together. Be sure it's on top of the hair elastic. Also, my hair is long, so you might want to get like another hairbrush just in case for emergencies. Okay, so just a little FYI, I made just a teeny tiny mistake. So my hair was supposed to be like this, but I somehow did it the wrong way. My bad. It was an accident. So, back to the video. Okay. Once you've done that, remove all these hair elastics. Be sure to undo them too, just in case, because if it's still tied, then it'll be hard for you to secure it.
I finally fixed my mistake.
Do all the braids.
I have to speed this part because it might take a while.
Once you've done that, you could do just a simple braid on the end if you want to. But yeah, that's how you do it. The three-braided braid ponytail. Go to part 2.